it's Nica. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this hairstyle inspired by SAWEETIE. I saw her with these on Instagram and friggin' fell in love. I thought they were so dope, so I wanted to try them on myself. They're just these big feed-in braids, so yeah, with beads on the ends. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this style and you want to recreate it for yourself, then please keep watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And yeah, let's get into it. So what you're going to need for this hairstyle is obviously your hair. For this, I'm just using this super teasy braid. It's pretty much just like the regular expression hair, but it's pre-stretched. And I got I bought 4 packs. We'll see how much I end up using. I will say at the end how many I ended up using, and of course it'll be in the down bar. And then for the beads, my beauty supply store didn't have the clear beads that she has on the end of hers. So I got these that are the same size. They're just blue. So hopefully, I mean, there are some clear in there and everything. So I'll probably just use like the clearer blue ones and the actual clear ones. But yeah, so I got 2 packs of these, and these were really cheap. I also got these from my beauty supply store. Then I got elastics to secure the beads. I have a beader, so this, I'll show you in the video how to use it, but this makes putting beads on braids like the easiest thing ever. And then for the products I'm gonna use, so I'm just gonna use my Shine and Jam just to part and make sure everything is nice and sleek. For my edges, I'm gonna use my Hicks Edges, of course. And then at the end, just to like smooth everything down, make it look good like and wrapped, I'm going to use the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. But yeah, that's about it. So let's get started. SAWEETIE did not really post the best angles of these damn braids, so I'm just gonna sort of finesse it like how I think it is. So okay, so there is a side part. My hair is just stretched from, like, I washed it and just had it in a bun for these past few days, so it's stretched from that. So I'm gonna start by doing the side part first. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and like do the parts first, and then I will show you guys the parts so I can figure this out. Okay, I'll be back. All right, you guys, I think I figured out the parting. So from the videos, she had two braids here, so I did 2 from this side to this side. This side's where it gets a little complicated. So this front section, I kind of did an angle going this way. Then the second one matches up with this, but it also comes down. Then I did 1 like triangular section from the middle of my head going down. Then 1 smaller, hold on, triangular section here, and then 3 sections in the back. So hopefully, like, I got that right. So in total, it's 9 braids. That's what I have. I'm hoping that's how hers was. So yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just like do half the braids and then come back and show you guys some of the braids done. All right, you guys, so I'm pretty much done with the braids. Let me turn around and show y'all. This is how the back looks. That's the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did this last braid. So first, of course, you want to comb through your hair, make sure it's nice and detangled. And I already like separated the pieces of my hair and just strung it along on a chair that I have next to me. However, you know, if you, whatever area you have that you can put the hair out, it's better to lay the hair out first so that you have the pieces already ready, so it's easier for you to just grab in or grab the pieces. And I'm just taking some of my Shine Jam and I'm just gonna go along the sides of my section here, and then I'm just gonna comb the jam through my hair, through this section. Then you're gonna start off by just taking a little piece from the top here and separating that into 3, and you're going to braid that just once like this. Then you're going to take a small piece of hair, scoop it up with your middle finger, I guess, and then braid it into the piece. Then you're going to go ahead and add another one in and braid. Same thing. I'm gonna pick a piece, add it in, and braid. And you're gonna keep going down with small pieces until you've braided up, or you've braided your hair all the way through. So I'm just gonna keep going in and adding the smaller pieces. So now that I have all of my hair braided, I did my braids much thicker than Sweetie's because I have a really big head, so I like mine to be bigger. So from here down, I want to add thickness to the braid. So I'm gonna head and start taking thicker pieces of hair and feeding that in. So yeah, it is a good piece. I'm gonna go ahead and feed that in. So now that I'm at the thickness that I want, I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to braid down. And now here, I'm going to add more hair because I want it to be as long as my other braids. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm still happy with this thickness, I'm just gonna add smaller pieces of hair just to add length. So I'm just going back to like the original size that I had added in before. And I'm just gonna add that in there. And then go ahead and add another piece. I didn't lay out enough small pieces, as I thought, so I'm just splitting it here. Add that in. And then I'm just gonna put it next to the other one. So I think that length is gonna be okay. So I'm just going to hold this part with my mouth just to make it a little bit easier for me to braid down. And that's it. Alright, you guys, so I already sort of fixed my baby hair on this side. So I'm gonna show you on this side. I'm just taking the little comb side of my edge brush just to brush out the little hairs. Then I'm gonna dip into my Hicks and just sort of swoop them, brush them and swoop them. And then I'm just gonna go in with some Got To Be, the black one, over it just so that they stay. The braids are all done. I'm gonna go ahead and dip the ends in some boiled water. So all you do is just boil some water, pour it in a pitcher, dip the ends in, squeeze it out with a towel. I've done this in like every other braiding tutorial I've ever done, so I'm not gonna show this part, but I am gonna come back to show you guys how I'm gonna put the beads on at the end. Alright, you guys, so I finished putting them in the water. I may have gone a little bit too high up, but that's okay. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the point of putting them in the water, even though I'm gonna do the beads on the end, is just so the braids are not stiff. As you can see, they move and all that. And look, I already put the beads on the end. So SAWEETIE had 7 beads, it looked like, from the photos, on her braids. However, I don't have enough clear ones to do that, so I am taking, like I showed you guys the pack before, the lighter blue and the clear from the pack and just alternating them, and I'm doing 5 of them. So to put them on, you literally just slide the beads onto the beader like this, and then you take your braid, you put it through the little loop in the beader, then you push the beads onto the braid, and then you take one braid, go to the very end, well, like almost the very end of the braid, and you fold it over, and then you just take an elastic and just like an elastic, I guess, seal that little loop off like so. And I like to sort of pull the elastic back so that it like lies flat, and then you just flip your braid back over and all of the beads fall down. And that's that. The last step, just to kind of like smooth all the flyaways down and everything, I'm just gonna take my wrap foam, pump a bunch of it into my hand, and just smooth it all over the braids here. Yeah, so I think that's enough. And I'm just gonna take my do-rag, just gonna pop the do-rag on, and then I'm just going to blow dry over this. And then when you take the do-rag down, everything is nice and laid. But yeah, that is that. That is all of the braids. When I do the intro outro, I'll show the whole thing. Just I have no bottoms on, so I can't do that right now. So I use like 3 packs of hair, but only 2, 4, 5 of the like bundles that come in the pack. I have 1 bundle left. So yeah, so you'll need like about 3 packs of the pre-stretched hair that I use for that has these 2 bundles. But yeah, in this style, like braiding it again was easy to do. The parting was kind of difficult, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, that is that. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already, and leave me a thumbs up if you liked this video. I don't have anything else to say except thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.